Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best marine tables is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of any well-equipped boat, transforming your vessel from a simple mode of transport into a comfortable and functional living space on the water. Whether you're enjoying a meal with loved ones, need a stable surface for navigation charts, or simply want a place to rest your drink while taking in the scenic views, a quality marine table can significantly enhance your boating experience, providing versatility and convenience that you'll quickly come to appreciate on every journey. Number 5. Boat Table Folding Marine Aluminum Yacht Deck Furniture M250H. Introducing our marine-grade folding table, crafted in Greece since 1978. It's built to withstand the elements with a sturdy aluminum alloy tube and aviation-grade rivets. The rounded tabletop is humidity-resistant and waterproof, sealed with an anodized aluminum profile. Its UV-enhanced plastic parts ensure stability for the legs, even in harsh conditions. This table folds incredibly flat, making it perfect for storage in tight spaces. Its weight also ensures it stays put, resisting wind. Designed with smooth, anti-skid leg tips, it won't leave marks on your boat decks. Enjoy a secure and stable surface wherever you go. While ideal for your yacht, it's also perfect for patios, RV trips, and outdoor picnics. Protective covers are also available to keep it looking its best. We pride ourselves on warm and responsive customer service. Let us help you find the perfect table for your needs. What we like. This table folds incredibly flat, making storage a breeze even in tight spaces. Its lightweight design is stable enough to resist wind. If you have limited storage on your boat and need a reliable surface, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The table is very stable and doesn't wobble even in rough seas. It's incredibly easy to install and remove, which is great for cleaning and storage. The surface is durable and resistant to scratches and stains, perfect for a marine environment. Number 4. Docktail Utility Boat Table and Storage. Introducing the ultimate boat accessory, designed to enhance your time on the water. It's a versatile addition that brings convenience and functionality right to your fingertips. Easily install it in most standard rod holders, with the flexibility to level flat at any angle. If you don't have a rod holder, installation is simple for you or a professional. This portable caddy serves as a convenient serving table and a deluxe cup holder. It's designed to meet all your onboard needs, making your trips more enjoyable. Crafted from durable, UV-stabilized king starboard with stainless steel hardware, it's built to withstand harsh conditions for a lifetime. Its robust construction ensures longevity. The tabletop comes fully assembled, ready for use in minutes with your chosen mount. It also folds flat for effortless storage when not in use. This comprehensive package includes the tabletop, a Magma adjustable rod holder mount, and all necessary stainless steel hardware. Everything you need for immediate use is included. What we like. This option offers unparalleled versatility with its rod holder mount and adjustable angle capabilities. It also includes convenient integrated storage. If you're looking for a multifunctional table that can easily be repositioned and keeps your essentials handy, this is the one for you. What people say. The table is very sturdy and doesn't wobble even in rough seas. Easy to install and remove, which is great for cleaning and storage. The surface is smooth and easy to wipe down after use. Number 3. Garelick Eez-In Side Mount Table Leg System. This is a complete set for a removable marine table system. It includes everything you need: the leg, the base, the bracket, and the tabletop. The leg is made of lightweight, anodized aluminum, making it perfect for marine environments. It's built to last and resist corrosion. This system features a vertical mount design. It installs on a coaming or other vertical surface, saving deck space. When not in use, it offers quick and easy storage. The leg removes from the bracket and the top from the leg for compact stowage. The set includes an 18 by 30-inch tabletop. It's made of durable acrylic-coated ABS and features a spring-loaded locking pin system. What we like. This table system features a unique vertical mount, freeing up valuable deck space. Its removable design ensures compact storage when not in use. If you want to add table functionality without sacrificing deck real estate, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The table is very sturdy and doesn't wobble even in rough seas. Easy to install and remove, which is great for cleaning and storage. The surface is smooth and easy to wipe down, perfect for a boat environment. Number 2. 12-1106C Removable Marine RV Table. Introducing the 12-1106C Removable Rectangular Table, designed for your marine or RV adventures. This ivory table kit is built to withstand the elements. The kit comes complete with a tabletop, a sturdy 26-inch stainless steel leg, and a convenient surface mount floor receptacle. It offers excellent resistance to marine elements, ensuring longevity. You can also use it with confidence around various cleaners and under direct sun. Its removable design makes it easy to set up and take down. The included floor receptacle provides a secure mounting point. The elegant ivory finish complements any RV or boat interior. Enjoy a functional and attractive addition to your space. What we like. Built with durable materials resistant to marine elements, cleaners, and sun, this table is designed for longevity. The removable leg and surface mount make it adaptable for both marine and RV use. If you need a robust and versatile table that can handle various environments, consider this option. What people say. The marine table is designed to be compact and easy to store when not in use, making it ideal for smaller boats. It features a durable, waterproof surface that can withstand harsh marine environments and is easy to clean. The table's adjustable height and swivel function allow for flexible positioning, catering to different user needs and activities. Number 1. Springfield Marine Table Set Threadlock RECT. Introducing the Springfield Marine Table Set. This rectangular tabletop measures 16 by 28 inches, perfect for your marine needs. It features a 27-inch aluminum locking threadlock post for a secure and stable setup. The surface mount type ensures easy installation. The table boasts a stylish matte white color, adding a clean look to your boat's interior. A pedestal is included for your convenience. Specifically designed for boating, this table set is built to withstand the elements. Enjoy your time on the water with this essential accessory. This package provides everything you need for a complete table solution on your vessel. It's a reliable addition for any boating enthusiast. What we like. This set includes a sturdy aluminum locking threadlock post and a convenient surface mount. It comes as a complete package for easy installation. If you're looking for a secure and straightforward table setup with a reliable locking mechanism, this is a great choice. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well made. It's a great size for a small boat and doesn't take up too much space. The mounting system is secure and easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.